Welcome to Basic Polish. I am Paweł Stawarczyk and together we will learn how to make a Polish person feel welcome in your home, how to impress your future in-laws, or how to get by as a tourist in Poland when no one around you speaks English. I recommend you review Basic Polish Part 0. Let's review the pronunciation. The white letters mean they are always pronounced this way. The yellowish letters mean they have two possible pronunciations. We know so far only one. So let's start with the vowels on top. A, e, and then one version is e, I, o, u, e, consonants in the middle, I, and then one version is v, consonant digraphs below, h, ch, sh, and then one version is sh. Say it in Polish. Welcome to our place. Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas. How can we say have a seat? Proszę. Proszę. Count the leaves. Jeden, dwa, trzy, cztery. Jeden, dwa, trzy, cztery. How do you say water, coffee, tea? Woda, woda, kawa, herbata, herbata. And now, how do you offer politely each one of them? Wody, kawy, herbaty, super. So if we offer to our guests water, coffee, tea, we will say wody, kawy, herbaty, and the polite answer is wody proszę, kawy proszę, herbaty proszę. In this case, the word proszę will mean please. Again, do you remember those bad people who told you Polish is difficult? They lied. Now offer in Polish water, coffee, tea, and answer water please, coffee please, tea please. Wody, kawy, herbaty, wody proszę, kawy proszę, herbaty proszę. And now let's learn how to say thank you. Let's learn another sound. In Spanish, we can see it in piñata, or pequeña, mañana. English has this sound as well. For example, in canyon, Spanish cañón. And for those who are weepy, in onion. DZI will be always pronounced as G, which in English is very close to J, gin, jingle, gibberish, and if you pronounce DZI like that, you'll be close enough and understood. How do we pronounce these three letters? G, G. Now we add to this E with a little tail, and something follows, so that's not the end. And now we get a sound like bells, so repeat after me. Jane, Jane, Jane. How do we pronounce that? Jane, Jane. Thank you in Polish has this sound of jingle bells. Dziękuję. And now, as you remember, word stress falls on the syllable ku, so let's say from the end. Je, je, kuje, kuje, dziękuję, dziękuję. Say thank you in Polish. Dziękuję, dziękuję. And now guess how we say you're welcome. Proszę, proszę. So we have thank you, you're welcome. Dziękuję, dziękuję. Proszę, proszę. Great! Now you can already say, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Now you say it in Polish. Proszę, proszę. Dziękuję, dziękuję. Proszę, proszę. Did you notice? You said twice proszę. Once as here you are, and then as you're welcome. So remember those bad people who told you that Polish is difficult? They lied. English words 5 and fist have a common ancestor, and that makes sense. And believe it or not, Polish 5 and fist go back also to the very same ancestor. So now 5 looks a little intimidating, but when you think of Polish dziękuję, that sound, jingle bell sound, dzień, dzień, you already can pronounce it. P-I-E with a tail, pięć, pięć. Say it with me, pięć, pięć. This letter might look very frightening, but you already pronounce it in English when you say ciabatta, machismo, nature, or my favorite, gotcha. It's a very soft, very delicate chi, chi. Now, if you're a good student, now is the time to exclaim, just a minute, we already talked about CZ as ch, and that's correct. The Polish sound CZ, ch, is a harsher sounding, harder sounding ch, and on the other side of the spectrum we have a softer, more delicate chi, chi. The English ch, as in cheese or gotcha, is in between. But there is no reason to worry, you just pronounce it the English way and you will be understood both as ch or chi depending on the word. Now we're ready to say 5. You see pięć and chi, pięć, pięć. So the last sound will be this soft, delicate chi, chi, pięć, pięć. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Super. If you'd like to continue your Polish adventure with me, please Google my name and then Basic Polish, and it will take you to a channel with the symbol I Love Poland. You can also find a link to those videos below in the comment section. See you there!